In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the toolbar in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you're someone who frequently uses this program and wants to streamline your workflow, customizing the toolbar is a great way to access your most used tools quickly and efficiently. So, let's dive right into the process. First, we're going to begin by opening a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. You can choose any PDF document you have on hand, as this will serve as the canvas for our customization today. With the document open, direct your attention to the Quick Tools toolbar, which you'll find at the top of the application. You might notice a variety of icons that provide quick access to tools, and this is where we'll be making our changes. Next, what you want to do is right-click, or if you're using a Mac, Control-click on this area with the shortcut icons. Upon doing so, a menu will appear, offering several options. Here, you'll want to choose Customize Quick Tools. Selecting this option will open a new dialog box that will enable us to rearrange and modify the tools as per our preferences. Now, when you look at the Customize Toolbar dialog, you'll see that it's divided into two sections. On the right side, you'll find the tools that are available for you to add to your toolbar. These are organized in categories for easier navigation. On the left side, you'll see the tools that are already featured in your toolbar, those you regularly use or have previously added. To add a tool to your Quick Tools bar, simply select a tool from the right pane by clicking on it. Once highlighted, you'll see an option to Add to Toolbar. Click this button, and just like that, the tool will appear on your toolbar, ready for immediate use in your projects. If you have tools that you find you're not using as often and want to remove them, the process is just as straightforward. Select the tool you'd like to remove from the left pane. Once it's selected, a Remove from Toolbar option will appear. Click this, and the tool will disappear from your Quick Tools bar. You can also easily reorder your tools. If you wish to organize them in a way that better suits your workflow, simply use the up and down arrow keys within the dialog to move your selected tool into the desired position. Additionally, if you're looking to create visual groupings or simply want to split different sections of tools in your toolbar, you can add dividers by using the Add Divider option. These separators can help keep your toolbar organized and easy to navigate, especially if you have a large number of tools. Once you've finished customizing to your satisfaction, don't forget to click the Save button. This action will store your choices, making your new toolbar setup available anytime you open Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. And there you have it, a personalized toolbar that is tailored to your workflow in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you find these changes helpful as you work with your PDF documents. Happy customizing!